Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic options for your laundry needs, the DXJJ10L Folding Mini Washer and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The DXJJ10L Folding Mini Washer is designed solely for washing, featuring 3 modes for deep cleaning delicates like underwear and baby clothes. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer offers a 2-in-1 functionality, allowing users to wash and spin dry their laundry, significantly reducing drying time. This makes the Elevon a more versatile option for those who need both washing and drying capabilities. When it comes to portability, the DXJJ10L is unbeatable with its ultra-lightweight design and foldable feature, making it perfect for travel and small spaces. Weighing only 4.19 pounds, it can easily fit into your luggage. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer, while offering more functionality, weighs 14 pounds and is not foldable, making it less convenient for on-the-go users. The DXJJ10L Folding Mini Washer is priced at $50, making it an affordable choice for those on a budget. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer comes at a higher price of $77.77, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. Depending on your needs, you may find that the extra cost of the Elevon is worth it for the added functionality. In conclusion, both the DXJJ10L Folding Mini Washer and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer have their unique advantages. If you're looking for portability and a budget-friendly option, the DXJJ is the way to go. However, if you need a more versatile machine that can wash and dry, the Elevon is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like